Hello Odors, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to work inventory aging report. It tells us how old our stock, it shows how much stock is new, how much is a few months old, and how much has been sitting for a long time. So let's see about that. You can see here module Dev Inventory Aging Report. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to Inventory app and under the reporting menu display here this Inventory Aging Report. Now click on. Select here date. I want to set here 1st February and set here period day, total 30 days. Select warehouse. Internal location is stock and available here filter by product and product category. I want to product category. Select here category, furniture office. Available total 3 option, only view report and print in PDF and Excel format. First I want to only view this report and see here your aging report of inventory. Display here this product customizable desk. Category is a furniture office. Warehouse your company. Total unit cost and total movement quantity. I did set total 30 days, so display here this duration 30 days. And last display here total value and total quantity. It's display in list view, pivot view and also display in graph view. Now I want to print in PDF and Excel format. Again select here date, set days, warehouse, location and set here product category. First I want to print in PDF format. So display here your PDF format report. Display here company name, warehouse your company, filter by category, date, days 30 days and location. Now I want to print in Excel format and display here your Excel format. If you want to not apply here filter warehouse and location, so easily remove. And now I want to apply only product. And now view this. So display here all available product price. Available here 3 category, warehouse and product wise. You can easily do group wise, warehouse and third one is only product wise. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.